看这场面，大概有3万只白鹭，白茫茫的一片，好壮观。
Affected by the recent high temperatures and low rainfall, the water level of Poyang Lake in Jiangxi has been continuously dropping. Large areas of shoals and wetlands have emerged above the water surface. In Duchang waters of the lake, tens of thousands of egrets are resting and feeding, creating a wonderful natural sea. In recent years, around 200,000 to 250,000 summer migratory birds from Southeast Asia and other regions come to Poyang Lake to breed and rest, including 16 species such as egrets and herons. After the start of autumn each year, these birds begin their southward migration in flocks. When spring comes again, they return to Poyang Lake to breed and live.